So yeah, that's what happened.
Hi, Opimian.
Oh, hey, Opimian.
So it's summer and we're enjoying being outside. And what are you drinking?
Oh, actually, this little thing?
Yeah.
It's a Touraine. It's a Sauvignon Blanc. One of my favorite. And the word in French, désaltérant, really kicks in here. Really good. It means refreshing. So, really refreshing type of wine. I love it.
And what do we have here as summer sippers?
So, other than my beautiful Sauvignon Blanc, we have the Fleur de Charlotte Cabernet Sauvignon, a young one. We have a Fleur de Charlotte Viognier. We also have the Fleur de Charlotte Rosé. But we also have the Fine Bulle de la Jade. I knew it.
Well, my glass is empty. It's summer. Let's open it.
I guess I'll follow you on that one, but I'm changing glasses.
So, tip is, I'm becoming really good at it. So, open it and you hold the top and you just... Here we go.
I love that. I love that sound.
I love that sound.
Well, thank you.
Ooh, look at this.
Gorgeous bubbles.
My husband always gets me a case for my birthday because it's always arriving early January and I'm a January kid. So, cheers.
Cheers,
Tell me.
Opimian.
Explain.
So a wine from the south of France, gorgeous, and they have the knowledge. In the south of France, they actually started creating sparkling wines way before Champagne did. And so they have the knowledge, and this gorgeous rosé just comes in with this soft, elegant bubbles. The nose is very smooth, a little bit on the red side, red fruits, not too much. Let's see how that. Ready to drink?
Of course.
Thick, it really coats your palate, but it's not too heavy. It's on the elegant side. Then you get to see those little fine bubbles, and that's what's really fun about this wine. So really easy drinking. We're not breaking our heads here. This is a summer sipper. We keep saying it, and it's true.
Oh, I love it. My other favorite summer sippers is Fleur de Charlotte. I'm a Viognier lover, so I always get that one. And this year it comes in case of 12. As well as the Fleur de Charlotte Syrah Rosé, which is not only great, but it's a Jane's coup de coeur. So you gotta get one of those. And Charlotte, she's young, so and her wines are like her. So that's my pick for vacation.
Oh, I agree. And the Fleur de Charlotte Cabernet Sauvignon, we oftentimes talk about like Cabernet Sauvignons that age. This is meant to drink really smoothly and easily. So that's probably my pick for the whole summer. But in the meantime,
Cheers.
cheers.
Summer. Cheers.
The simmer. Enjoy the Opimian.